guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I have a special guest. Today, I have my mom with me. I am gonna bring her in a minute, but today's video, we're going to try this. I know you guys saw the thumbnail, so stay tuned. But before I bring her in, I am gonna take you guys back on this day when I bought this chips. Alrighty, you guys, they did not have the chips. I'm heading to another 7-Eleven, but I did found these type of chips there. It's my first time trying it. Paqui, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I saw the ghost pepper. I had to try it. Now I am about to introduce you guys to my mother. She's the one who raised me and made me this beautiful, so here she is. Venez non. Ok, jeudi moi avec maman. Première fois nous faisons vidéo ensemble. Today's our first day we're doing a video together, and I thought, why not come with something, you know, something special. So jeudi nous allons faire une vidéo avec chips ça, il vraiment piqué. So jeudi moi avec maman nous allons manger chips ça. Moun qui mange plus chips. Chips ça fait avec piment zoazo. OK? Nous avons ti lait là parce que ou connaît chips là piqué, n'a besoin ti lait, ça ka manger plus chips, okay? Bum translate en anglais. So today's video, we're going to try hunted ghost pepper chips. I already opened it, and it's not a lot, so I can't give her too much spicy food, y'all. It is a really spicy chips. Now I am about to try it. I'm coming for you guys with the Diablo chips. Stay tuned, but I had to get this video down before I make that other video. I'm still working on it, okay? But today we're going to try this video. I know I talk a lot, but this is my mother, y'all, and we're going to try it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Jodi, faut garder caméra au moins. Faut garder ti caméra là.
Oui, m'a regardé.
Ok. Jodi, nous allons manger un petit chips qui relè Paqui ou Paqui. M'a mette nom en écran pour nous. Li fait avec piment zoazo. It's freaking hot. Literally, that's what the package said. So, nous allons try li. Vraiment. Aussi, vous plaît? Aussi? Papa before oh gosh. Okay. What, manger deux? Okay. Ooh, I can smell it. Vous pensez? Vous prêt? Ben allez non. On va continuer. Dans jour. Vous pouvez manger? Qu'est-ce que vous sentez? Et puis, qu'est-ce que ketchup à hot sauce? Vous allez manger le monde?
Vous doit bien manger, non?
Hein?
Vous doit bien manger quoi, non?
What was it?
No?
Oh, this is so spicy.
Après, votre mon fait mal pour toute semaine. Là.
Vous m'avez mangé what?
Let's go.
Kata wala.
Bye.
Pak mayan?
Bye. Il piqué, il pas qu'à manger. Il piqué.
Ui.
Ouais. Et la vidéo, ça doit aider pour aider une fois.
She's backing out. I give this 10 out of 10.
Bye. Bye. Oh oui. La vidéo, vous comprenez mon nom. Oh oui.
She's gone. The video's over. I don't taste the chips. All I'm tasting is pepper. Wow. Mama, pourquoi faire vite? Venez. Viens faire photo. Ah, c'est l'autre bon.
Ah, manger encore. Tu vas manger, bah, l'autre, tu dois payer manger. Ah, bon, on va charger pour eux. Bouquet.
Alright guys, this was a fail, badly. But if you enjoy it, let me know down below and thumbs up. If you want to see another video with her, let me know. That wasn't really a video because she clearly didn't eat it. Thank you for watching. I can't even talk right now. But I'll see you guys on my next one, I guess.